You've got to come to Dollar Tree and grab a laundry basket. These tricks are mind-blowing this summer. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. I'm going to show you why I take the mirrors right out of these. But before I do,
I've got tons of tricks. This video is jam-packed.
These buckets are the coolest Dollar Tree find right now. I love them. They're double insulated, great for drinks. But what's more, you can use these for amazing yard games. You can go down to the kids section and you can buy giant dice. These are so cute. I use them all the time when I was teaching. Use a Cricut to label the front of these. The Cricut Facebook page had tons of ideas this year.
For about $6 total, you can make this adorable Yardsy game. I love how big this is. It's perfect for kids, end of the year parties, and look how much money these retail for. And there's even more ideas. Everything I share in this video, I want to be so doable and easy. Up next, we've got Yard Pong. I know I can do this cheaper.
And come down here, all you have to grab are these. These are like giant ping pong balls. It's perfect for the game. My kids are gonna love this. Great for a driveway, graduation party, really affordably.
You need 6 buckets per side. I got 2 different colors and I realized that all of my skills were coming back and I am really good at this game, but my kids loved it especially. These are really quality buckets and again, they're really great for holding your drinks as well. And I was so surprised. It was so fun to see the creativity that my kids were showing with the neighbors and all the different games they were coming up with. And of course, you want to know about storage? I put all of this in a laundry basket. It stores really great right in the garage.
I don't know why this is in the kitchen section, but listen, these removable hooks are awesome. We're gonna go to the frame section because I have a trick I wanna show you. I'm getting too excited and I'm just like bouncing all over the store, so just like bear with me. Come to the frame section and you're gonna grab some clear 8x10 frames. Oh my gosh, check out this summer hack.
Those peel and stick hooks come in a pack of 3. All you have to do is put these on the front of an acrylic frame. This is great for your car keys, your sunglasses, your regular glasses. It's a great way to stay organized. Perfect by your front door.
I adore all the summer items, especially this really pretty color. These plate holders are awesome. Your paper plates actually stick right in the side of these to help reinforce them, especially if you get the cheap ones. And I also really like these utensil caddies.
And keep your eyes peeled at Dollar Tree for this compostable serveware. I absolutely love the utensils. We've used these multiple times. They are really great, perfect to have on hand for all those parties.
This is one of my favorite tricks. Dollar Tree does sell these expandable barbecue forks. These are perfect for roasting marshmallows and it's only $1.25. Compared to Amazon, this is a great deal. And put together a s'more kit. Did you know that the bread containers, the ones you can find right at Walmart or here at the Dollar Tree, are the perfect size for a bag of marshmallows, your graham crackers, and chocolate? Put this together and you have a really easy way to roast marshmallows outside and you did it on a budget. Dollar Tree almost always has the fireside marshmallows in stock. This is both a great buy.
We've really been enjoying this at our house. It makes for amazing family memories.
Okay, I was so excited to find these silicone ice molds. If you have seen on TikTok the trending like ice fridges, I'm obsessed. Look how cute this is. This is a great color. You can make all of your balled ice and it's so easy to open up. This is even better than the other silicone molds. I am seriously impressed with this. Let me know in the comments, would you purchase this product?
An amazing product for parties. Something else great for parties that's also an orb are these solar cracked glass stakes. These are 2 really quality products I don't want you to miss. Cheers!
I'm gonna show you a product that I would not purchase, but it is here. I wanna know what you think. This is a taco stand, like perfect for 3 tacos. Charlie, what do you think of this product?
It does what it's supposed to.
I know, but like, to me, this is clutter. But like, I wanna hear from you. Like, is this something you would use? Let me know below.
Stay tuned because my favorite DIY is coming up.
There's 4 brand new products at Dollar Tree I highly recommend. And some of these are hard to find. I wanna know if they're in your store. This Downy Rinse and Refresh is awesome.
And a brand new product I love is this Suavitel Shed Shield. If you've got pets, this helps repel pet hair. And I just use this on his bed, also blankets around our house. I'll be sure to link his bed down below. It's my favorite. It's easy to clean and this makes it smell great.
And they have a dupe of the Tide pen, these OxiClean sticks. I really like this one. And these stain remover wipes I've talked about before absolutely work.
At $1.25, I was highly impressed with this. Also the fact that it's a name brand I think really helps, but you just dab this on and then you want to give it a good scrub. This is a stain that is traditionally hard to get up and it did great.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but you need to check out the toothbrush section of the Dollar Tree. There's 4 items you've got to keep your eyes peeled for. And the first is a tongue scraper. Seriously, if you've ever struggled with like bad breath, this one works so well. Having a tongue scraper is a total game changer. They also have tons of name brand toothbrushes, as well as toothpaste that is way cheaper in other places. This is an Oral-B bamboo toothbrush. How cool. And I want to show you this hack. These denture tablets are also amazing for deodorizing shoes. If your shoes get really sweaty in the summer, all you've got to do is put your shoes in a bucket with some denture tabs. They will smell great afterward.
Pop your shoes in a bucket and soak for about 30 minutes. Scrub if you need to. Give them a good rinse and then let dry in the sun. These smell so fresh. Give it a try.
But I think my unsung hero product of the summer is a fruit fly trap.
I like using apple cider vinegar and dish soap. This will kill the fruit flies too. They will sink to the bottom.
Eliminate your fruit flies. Eliminate your fruit flies. I want to know which of these is your favorite.
Now, onto some items that will transform your home.
I absolutely love these Dollar Tree mirrors, but my favorite part is to take out the inside and use these as ceiling medallions. These are so in style. I see them in all the high-end catalogs, and y'all, they are expensive.
You can just install these as is, but I had to cut mine down because all of my light fixtures were already installed, and I want to know which one you like better. So I took some white chalk paint and I added a couple layers of this. I really like the texture because it reminded me of plaster when all was said and done. So let me know which version you like better. Because of the little slit, this was really easy to do with an X-Acto knife. I could turn off the power and then I could add this to my existing light fixtures by slipping it over the side. I absolutely love this under our ceiling fan. It fits the room so well, but I also really liked not painting one and putting this in our dining room. So this is my Narnia room because I thrifted that Narnia cabinet. So I took some really pretty pictures that I photocopied from the book and I added these little circles to the medallions. You can see there I am getting ready to install it, always on the table. I used a little bit of Mod Podge on the bottom and then I added the paper over top. This feels so romantic and fun, a window into the C.S. Lewis novel. So which do you like? Plain or plaster? Let me know below.
Dollar Tree also has tons of stamp pads and even stamping blocks. I recently found some beautiful stamps. These are so high quality. You can make DIY cards for this. This is such a beautiful gift to give to people. I think there's kind of a lost art of like writing a letter and just telling people how much you appreciate them. So I encourage you this week, even if you decide to not make a card, to write a letter, not just a text message, to somebody that you love, letting them know so. I think it can make all the difference.
These cards are some of my favorites. I really love the stamps as well as the cupcake liners and the Dollar Tree stickers. I also want to tell you about the unsung hero of Dollar Tree, these magical bubbles. Now these look like normal bubbles, but what's so cool is you can actually hold them. The kids can touch them and play with them. They are so much fun and we had so many wonderful memories. I hope you're carving out time this summer to spend time with those that you love in the small ways and the big.
What's your favorite? Leave it in the comments down below. My beautiful friend, never stop dreaming and remember, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.